Hello guys and welcome to the Stakewolle channel. Today I'd like to tell you about Akash and deploying your web application. Akash Network pursuing an idea of storing and using web resources on decentralized cloud storage. It's a kind of decentralized hosting provider with the ability to select unique host parameters for any requirements. The main advantages of deploying your web application is installing the required cloud configurations in Docker, setting your own price and offering the best rate from Akash, deploying a web application without unnecessary manipulations on the server, and easy scalability. The essence of Akash's work is to connect the unused computing power of servers, idle servers. Therefore, the pricing policy of Akash is much lower in comparison with centralized hosting providers. Akash is a hosting marketplace that offers a large number of options, from simple cloud storage to powerful servers for storing and processing massive and complex amounts of data. This tool gives you the opportunity to access various hosting services and serves of over 8 million data centers around the world. In addition, thanks to the decentralized idea of use, greater speed and data protection is achieved because the transfer of assets takes place offline via MTLS. The parameters that are required to deploy your web product, price preferences, and deployment services can be written down in this file. It's written using the software definition language. The file is a form sent to Akash to assign the most optimal storage suitable for your product. To achieve the maximum convenience of the deployment process, the Akash team invented a special tool, Akashlistic Deploy Tool. This is an application that will help monitor the operation of your network. In addition, this tool provides administration functions such as closing the deployment, updating the deployment, redeploying, and increasing the funding available for deployment. And now let's talk about the deployment of products using Akash Cloud. This dashboard supports all popular operating system platforms, but our example will be based on Mac. To start the deployment, you'll need a Kepler wallet with the Akash tokens stored on it. Go to the website and choose Operating System. After completing the download, run the file with the DMG extension. After installation, Mac will prompt the user to move the Akashlistic shortcut to the Applications directory. Drag the Akashlistic deploy icon to the Applications folder. After successful installation, open Finder and enter Akashlistic deploy. Click on the icon while holding down the Ctrl key. In the dialog box that pops up, select Open. After launching the program, you'll need to import a wallet into it. To do this, you must attach a mnemonic phrase, the name of your wallet that will be displayed, and the password. In the future, you will only use your username and the password. To use a secure communication protocol, you will need to create a certificate. To do this, click the ellipsis in the upper right corner and select Create Certificate. On the deployment panel, click the Create Deployment button. Attention, before you start, make sure that you've completed the following requirements. 5 Akash tokens are available in your wallet and you have a valid certificate. Click Continue. To deploy a custom application, select the Empty Template option. Click Continue with the selected one. Insert your CDL template since you've chosen an empty one and assign a name. After the launch, you have a pop-up with the transaction for gas. Leave everything by default and click Confirm. After a while, a list of offers will be displayed. Choose the rent that suits you best. Click Accept the application. Next, a pop-up with payment for gas will appear again. Do the same thing as for the previous one. To interact and get information about the deployment, click the Deployments button. This tab will display the necessary information. To go to your resource, which is hosted on Akash, click at the icon in the lower right corner. Done? Congratulations, you are hosted by the decentralized Akash Cloud. The link to your resource will look something like this. Akash Network, the world's first decentralized and open-source cloud, accelerates deployment, scale, efficiency, and price performance for high-growth industries like blockchains and machine learning or artificial intelligence. It was all the information that I wanted to tell you about deploying on Akash. Hope that you like it. Stay tuned and do not forget that you have an opportunity to stake on us and subscribe to our social networks. Thank you for your attention.